Hello dear son, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheets, we are going to add functions. To add a function, we need to go to the insert menu. So there's different functions available, as you can see, from sum to web. So only we're going to add some functions, which is sum, average, count, max, and minimum. You can try out some other functions here as well. Let's try to add the sum. For sum, we need to select a range. So we're going to select this range and hit enter. Let's try to add another function, which is going to be average. For average also, we need to select a range and hit enter. The average of these numbers is 3.5. Let's try to add another function, which is count. For that also, we need to select this range and hit enter. So it's counted as 6 number. Let's try to add maximum. For that also, we are going to select this range and hit enter. The maximum of this number is 6. Let's add another function, which is minimum, not maximum. We can change that by editing here. If I type M, so you can see list of function, which is this minimum, and hit enter. So this is how we can add a function to the Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.